Today in Crazed Performance Repair, we are working on my personal 2004 Tahoe that I recently acquired. I am turning this thing into a torque/mileage machine for the sake of hauling trailers. Now, why is that important? We are installing a trailer brake, obviously, as the title says. So I need to make sure that I have that 7-pin connector hooked up for a trailer brake. So we're going to go ahead and hop inside now. This is 2004 Z71 package. And we're going to go ahead and show you guys right where that trailer connector is, because it's actually really simple. I originally wasted the time pulling this cover off thinking I'm going to have to find some loose wire with a connector on it somewhere. Don't waste your time with that. Stupid. Just don't. You don't need to be in there. It's actually way simpler than I could have imagined, and I'm glad it is. I never really install trailer brakes in the newer GM trucks because I never get requests for it, but this is my personal vehicle and I need it for myself. So normally I'm wiring them in because I have old jalopies of turds. I mean, this is still an old jalopy. However, it's much easier than that. So I noticed when I was online searching for my parts, I got the brake controller and I saw that there was wiring harnesses available for the brake controller with a connector on the end. And I thought, all right, we got a connector we can plug into on the vehicle. I'll order the vehicle-specific connector, and I'll see where I can find it when I get the parts in. And sure enough, lo and behold, there is a cover that goes over that box. Now, there's your brake pedal. That spot right there is where your left foot would rest when you're just sticking your foot out. And then you have, see that bolt sticking out there? That is holding on that cover with this little plastic nut dealio. And then you have a bunch of blank connector spots. We'll go ahead and swing you up there so you can see what I'm looking at. So you can see, oh, come on, get up there, phone. There we go. On the far top right there is a 6-pin connector. That one does not work. There's a 4-pin connector above that metal nub. And then there are these two 6-pin connectors. Now, the trailer connector can plug into both of those, but both of those do not apply to the trailer brake. You can see the trailer brake connector right here is a 6-pin connector as well with 4 live pins in it. And this can plug into both of those slots on the left side of that box. But they conveniently give you this nice little diagram right here. And you can see the far left one is SEO 6-way, but the one right next to it is trailer 6-way. So what do you know? We're just going to plug it into the trailer 6-way and be done. So nice, short, simple clip for you, so you don't have to waste too much time on your own personal vehicle. I noticed when I was doing my research online, I saw a whole bunch of similar situations with the vehicles having that box down there somewhere. So all the newer ones have basically the same exact thing, and all you have to do is find that spot, plug into it, good to go. Then of course you got to mount your controller itself. Since this is a nice short clip, I'm also going to throw out a personal ad, shout out, whatever, for my website. Obviously I don't typically do this, but it's a short clip. On my website I have several options available, and the website's slowly growing. It's a matter of how much I can get up to. I am a solo operation. I have myself, my wife helps process orders. That's pretty much it. For now, I don't have any help. I'm just doing my own solo thing. Because of that, it takes a while to grow the site, but the site has grown quite a bit. I have a forum on there if you're interested in looking at forum stuff. It's got a bunch of information on there. It's slowly growing. Of course, people post something, I reply. Somebody else may reply as well to add to the conversation, and it's slowly growing. So be sure to check that out. That doesn't cost anything or cause any trouble with you logging in. It's real simple. Then of course I have some additional videos as well. Now, if you subscribe to the site, you're not necessarily subscribed to the videos. You have to click on the video section, you can click on the free videos, and it'll prompt you with what looks like you have to pay for, but you don't. There is a free section as well that you can see the free videos. Now the free videos are pretty much what I have on YouTube, plus an occasional additional video. I'll throw one on there every, I don't know, few months. I'll throw in a different one on there that's not on YouTube. And then you have the paid video section, and it's relatively cheap, but that paid section includes shop updates, stuff that I don't post on YouTube because it's not really auto repair related. It's giving you an update where I'm at with this Tahoe. I have a bunch of stuff on there, where I'm at with that Corvette that's back there, what I've done with updating the shop and any kind of repairs or upgrades I've done in the shop itself, mounting TVs, things like that. I even had a coffee table I was mentioning in one of the videos and showing this really cool coffee table I made. If you want to check out those videos, you can do the 30-day trial. I haven't tried setting it up myself. Why? I'm pretty sure it's going to prompt you for credit card and all that crap. Just if you find out you don't like it, just make sure you pull all your make sure you turn it off or whatever has to be done. And of course, throw a message to me on the website. Let me know. I want to know how easy it was. How well did it work for you? Is it good? Does the system go pretty smooth? And then, do you think there's potential in this? I guess. Throw me a message if you end up subscribing. I will see you subscribe. So, if my phone bloop, net lets me know everything that happens on that site. So, like, share, subscribe, and as always, I hope to see you in the next video. And let me know about the website ideas that I got thrown out there. I also have a premium section that has a additional forum section, and that forum section I'm open to sharing very specific information. If you need a full engine wiring diagram, I will go ahead and get pictures and screenshots and give you all that info you need on that particular forum area. No one's in it yet. This is my first official announcement. So take that with a grain of salt. And with that, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.